Continue with doctor series, a sneezing, that is sneeze reflex, which is defensive reflex occur at nasopharynx mechanism. Palate is supplied with maxillary nerve, which is branches of the trigeminal nerve, with irritation like a smoking, food particle, causing stimulation of maxillary nerve. Sneeze reflex, which is protective in nature. Sneezing also symptom in diseases like a common cold, tuberculosis, in allergy. Excitation of nerve is mainly due to release of histamine. Allergic sneezing have a congenital relation. Pedigree analysis of allergies remarked with blue showing affected. Thanks for watching.